Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another Daily Driven Exotics episode. We are here at Avenue of the Arts in Costa Mesa, Southern California. This is one of the most beautiful states, just not today because it's overcast. Dave's back in the vlog.
What's up, you guys?
Dave, what are you driving today?
I'm gonna drive none of these very technically advanced supercars. I'm driving an old school Hummer.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick up the Hummer, you guys. It is a Hummer build kind of update going on with that truck. This is big news. This is really what we bought the truck for a year ago. Beating the living crap out of this Hummer H1 for the past year. And now it's time to give it the special massage treatment, take it to Predator and do the big upgrade.
We're gonna do an air filter upgrade today.
Air filter upgrade.
Air filter.
We're actually doing much more than an air filter. Something that's attached to the air filter in a big way. We are going to take door number 1, door number 2, door number 3, and it is door number 2.
You know why? It has room for our luggage.
Oh, we gotta show them that. You guys, all these cars that we've ever owned have zero space for luggage. That has a little bit of space, but nothing behind the seats really. This has next to no space. My Huracan has no space. The Murcielago, ironically enough, has a bit of a frunk, but the FF and the F12 happen to have the most space by far. And check this out. Oh yeah, we've got 2 hard luggages, and then we got bags up in the front. You know what you guys want right about now? You guys want a cold start from the Ferrari.
Oh God.
And I'm going to oblige. 3, 2, 1. And we're back at Bowden Auto House to collect the Hummer. Oh! 2 flat tires.
The back's flat too.
The back is flat. I think something to do with the airline is not holding the air. I think when I jumped it, I f***ed something up, bro. Is all 4 tires?
It's a new stance game right here.
Dude, we lowered the Hummer. Look at this. We're gonna take it to Predator, give it a little bit of TLC. It's right wet inside. Probably smells awful. Let's get the key and let's get this thing down to the proper pros. Ooh! Start pumping.
Let's pump. Get some, come on! Oh yeah, come on, David. I want this. How about do you want it? Do the work. Do the work.
Look at this. I was getting You're working out.
Oh, I like that. I like that. Oh yeah, David. Come on, come on, come on. There we go.
Ah, dirty.
It's got weird all of a sudden.
Dirty.
It got weird again. We apologize.
Love the sound of that diesel engine. What are you doing? Good to go? Got all the air now in the tires? I'll be in the F12. Nice and comfortable. I don't have to worry about the smell.
The smell's gross.
Back in the Hummer again. I actually like driving this thing. Challenge. I'm a challenging person. 45 miles an hour. No problem.
All right, guys, you're gonna be super excited to know today we are doing a gas station challenge with the F12 versus the Hummer.
Oh, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I got 2 tanks on this thing. $10,000 on the line.
Just joking. There's no gas station challenge. We know how much you guys didn't like those.
Yeah.
The long trek to San Diego begins.
What up?
AMG is insane.
Look at that right there. The roof is leaking and it's shaking water all over me, over my legs. What a lovely experience.
Look at this, you guys. Land of the Hummer. Predator here in San Diego. This is one of my favorite places to come because it's so unique. You guys see a lot of exotic cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens, Porsches on the channel, but I think the Hummer, the H1, is probably one of my favorite vehicles yet on the channel to modify because it's just so unique and so rare, except for when you come here, because look at them all. There he is. Woo! Oh, and there's Ryan and Jason. What up? Holy crap, is this it?
We got your motor right here.
Dude.
Let's do this.
What are you doing? Right now?
I'm halfway there.
How you doing?
Good, bro.
Good to see you. You guys, Ryan from Predator, Jason,
up,
Epic
brother?
Productions in the house.
What's up, Jason?
What up, buddy?
Oh, look, we got someone with some muscles actually to do the pulling out of the motor out.
Yes, sir.
What were you doing? You going to a funeral, bro?
No.
Why are you always in black?
He's
My
a
ninja gear.
Yo, that's right.
My ninja gear.
You are a ninja.
Yeah.
Are you also a hockey player?
No.
What's
I know,
going
I'm
on
getting
here?
some.
That's a very Canadian hockey player right there.
Growing my hair out.
I think we should cut his hair today. What do you guys think?
Oh, you want to cut his hair?
Let's do this.
Hey, you guys, anybody want to cut Jason's hair with me? Look at the hands go up in the background. So what do we got here? What are we doing to the Hummer? You tell everybody because me explaining it would be really bad.
All right, so Duramax engine, Allison transmission, 6-speed, fully built, stage 4 tranny. Flo built up this engine and tranny just for you. It's going in your Hummer.
Damn.
Let's do it.
So how much power is this gonna, if someone came here and wanted to go bananas, what's the craziest you've done?
I mean, 850, 900 horsepower, but that's also like literally 1,800 foot-pounds of torque. And that's what's moving
Holy.
trucks. I mean, it's just
1,800 foot-pounds of torque, 5 pounds of torque. So this is stage 4, and then what about the engine? Is it 2 turbos, 1 turbo?
You see 2 turbos here.
There's 1 turbo.
Thank you.
Unless there's another one hit. Oh, here's another turbo. Oh,
That's
wait.
an alternator. That's an alternator.
I'm not that stupid. So we're gonna do engine, trans.
Yeah, some
What
other
about
goodies,
going
too.
fast? What do you need if you go fast? You also need to be able to stop.
Go faster.
Brake upgrade. How does that work?
We're gonna upgrade you to the Alpha brakes. Alpha was a 2006 Hummer. That was the last model year, and they canceled the truck, but they upgraded the brakes. They're 20% better brake leverage on there, so we're going from 10-inch rotors to 12-inch rotors. Makes a huge difference.
This truck has something I think pretty unique. It's pretty unique. It's got what's called inboard brakes. In the Ferrari, you see how the brakes are right there behind the wheels? Do you see any brakes back here? Nada. The brakes are actually in the center of the truck. So the brakes are like up in here. All right, so here's our Hummer. It's been abused. As you know, you knew that.
Dude, check this out.
Oh, he's gonna start ratting us out. What's wrong?
Camber and caster.
Looks like a tire. Gladiator, shout out to Gladiator.
No. Look
What's
at
wrong?
tire sticks out about 2 inches more than this side of the tire.
The wheel is actually tilted this way, you guys. Like it's on this angle.
And it's not just this one too. It's every single tire. Look at this side. This side.
Have you not seen the epic jump?
We jumped it, Ryan.
Have you ever had a client jump a Hummer?
Yes, but not like this.
What? Who?
Not like this.
Who?
Well, I jumped.
What's his home address?
But I didn't. I wasn't like 6 feet off the ground.
Yeah.
Body damage.
Maybe some
Maybe body damage. There's some body
Oh, right there.
damage. Yeah, that's gonna get fixed.
All that talk, man, broke the steering box off the truck and brings it back like this.
I was just talking truth. That wasn't talking.
Is that
Dude,
bad?
that's not good, dude. So that's a steering gearbox reinforcement kit that we installed
Yeah,
for Dave.
yeah. Still there. What we're thinking is color change, you guys. The white's gonna go. We gotta get rid of the soft top. It was cool if it was sealed, but it's never sealed.
Always leaking.
It's always leaking water like crazy. Full color interior change. We're gonna make it look quite luxurious and nice. We're gonna go for that really nice G63 AMG style diamond stitch pattern on the inside. We'll probably go all black if we can. Black to go with that color we're talking about for the body. I don't want to reveal that yet.
Yeah,
Out of all your years of making Hummers, have you ever made a Hummer that color?
No.
I've never seen one that color.
It's gonna piss off so many people. Like Hummer purists are gonna be pissed off.
Yeah.
Prius drivers are really gonna be pissed. It's gonna be so loud and in their face. It's gonna be rad.
Can we get rid of these nasty, disgusting, rotting carpets? These are gonna get a refresh. We're gonna make sure that all the inflation systems put back together.
Yep.
As you saw from the beginning of the vlog, all 4 tires will be flat within 24 hours.
right.
And that is a personal DD guarantee. Signed, sealed, delivered by Damon himself. I made sure of that. Whatever we broke, we made sure we evenly broke it on all 4 tires.
Appreciate that. One thing about the Hummer is one of the weakest links in the frame are the cross members. So these cross members will bend under like really stupid maneuvers. Yeah. It's not going to bend the frame. I've never seen a frame actually bent. I've seen people claim, other shops claim that they're bent, but they're literally just a cross member. You replace the cross members, you're good to go. So
That's cool.
I doubt that it has any frame damage.
And then we're talking, because you guys do everything in-house, full fabrication, customization. We're gonna do something back here. We're not gonna give away what is in the back of this truck. So customization in the back of the little bed here. We're gonna do something to hold track gear for the vehicles.
Yes.
Because Dave is gonna be a race car driver.
That's scary. It's not that hard.
Just gotta follow the line.
Yeah. Keep the car on the ground.
We need this.
Fox suspension.
It's extra.
What does this do, Ryan? What is the
Ryan,
Fox?
what does this do?
Fox suspension upgrade.
Gives you a much smoother ride.
We'll take
Just
it.
a lot more control.
What?
take it.
You want it?
We'll take it.
Okay.
All right, done.
What about the lighting?
An infrared system.
Oh, Infrared?
We need that too. We need that too.
Okay,
Take that.
we'll take it. Take this toolkit. Take a little butane. You want
that.
you need some butane?
We don't want that. We can't.
Look out!
Can't
We can't blow out! So the last time we got the front bumper upgrade.
Yeah, Viper front winch bumper.
Oh, wow.
And then we're gonna do this rear bumper.
What's this thing for? Tire?
That's for the
that's
tire that swing out.
That's cool. So we'll get this put on, and look, the most important part, we'll be able to get a tow hitch, and we'll be able to have our trailer, our track-focused Hummer, to be able to tow all of our race goodies. 2020 is going to be a huge year, and with Predator's help, we're going to have the capacity to tow our race trailer with all of our stuff. F12 is going to end up in a situation where it's probably going to get towed to a lot of locations because it's going to go so extreme that it's going to be a street car, but if I don't have to drive it 5 hours to the track, I probably won't drive it. It's going to get like a fixed racing seat, harnesses, all those things that wearing for 5 hours get really uncomfortable. 2020, go big, go home. You're going home.
I'm gonna go home now.
Yeah, bye.
So you're going big on the F12 then?
We are.
Build.
Twin turbo. We're
We're gonna make it like the most insane drift
Nice.
supercar
Oh, that'd be sick.
on the planet.
I don't mean that thing
I
look.
know. No, I love the look of the F12.
You have a lot of Hummers. Ironically, they all look very done up right now. Like when we've been here before, a lot of the trucks sitting in this lane were ripped apart, stock, burnt down.
Yeah.
Saw a burnt one.
Actually, it's still
Is it
right
still?
here.
Oh, this is it.
It's coming along.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Holy, this is like what we want to do.
Yeah.
This is like literally kind of like a G-Wagon interior. Like think about this inside of what we have.
Look at how we changed the design. It's more squared off, kind of like emulating the Hummer boxiness, I
Yeah,
guess.
oh, it's firm.
It's firm, yeah.
Do it again.
Feels hard, soft, supple.
Enough of touching weird objects and saying their weird names.
Patina.
Those are from Home Depot. I've seen those bolts there.
This is very much like, yeah, the patina of a fine Swiss-made Panerai. Is a Panerai a Swiss watch? I don't know.
Panerai. Yeah, I thought it was Italian.
Is it Italian?
Jamie, make us look.
Rolex is
Rolexes.
Swiss. Douchebag level achieved. What are these for?
Those are just there to look cool.
Those are antennae.
What is going on here? They do look rad.
Hey, if you want to buy just the old Humvee, how cheap are they? Just like not illegal.
They're so expensive. They're going for like $500,000.
Yeah. But I have one I'll sell you for 50 grand. My man! Yeah!
Yeah, boys.
How far down do you want?
Where did you guys go? Muscles. Oh, now we're leaking something now.
You guys think
it's
everything's
not.
free, Ryan? Is this going to be free?
No.
So Ryan, everything we're doing on this truck, everything we're doing, give us a ballpark so I can talk to the accountant.
What-
Get pre-yelled at.
Yeah.
How much money are we talking?
What's the big dollar figure for someone to come in here and get everything we're gonna get?
Like what we're talking about on this, you could easily spend 200 grand.
$200,000.
How much do you pay for the truck?
Like 100. So double the value of the truck just in mods.
Yep.
But when it's done, it's worth $120,000.
Not true with this vehicle. This vehicle retains its value very well because of how rare, and each one is just so different.
One of the smarter vehicle decisions. What are you doing? What are you? I see you thinking. Hey, oh, you're doing doing the dinero.
Okay, little bit.
Engine, trans, brakes, paint, full body work,
Interior.
restoration of all the exterior parts, fixing the wheels, suspension,
Steering upgrades.
steering upgrade, cooling upgrade, bumper,
Bumper.
full interior, custom work in the bed, new soft top.
Guys, we're gonna leave the vehicle here with Predator. We'll be back to film bits and pieces of this build. We're not gonna do like every little thing here. I mean, that would just, this is gonna be a couple of month project. I hope you guys are excited. We're super stoked. We've loved the Hummer since the day we bought it, but it's about to go to the next level. We're gonna go from here. 2020, we said big things. Two V12s, and now
Technically, this is a Duramax, so it's, what is it, a V what? Anything.
Don't tell him. Count the cylinders, Damon.
It's a single turbo V8 diesel engine.
T66 running Motec system exhaust. It has 4-core intercooler. It'll decimate all after you put $10,000 if you have to.
$200,000.
Overnight parts from Japan.
$200,000 into
Yeah, what
it.
the hell? What year is it? 2020 now. It's like 200 grand is $10,000 in 2000. Here we go.
going in a
Kumquat.
Hey Jason, try that.
It's a kumquat.
It's a what?
Kumquat. Try it.
I'm trying to get the focus on my nuts.
Kumquat.
Would you be offended if my nuts hit you in the face? That was pretty good.
He was really quick with that one.
He was quick on that one. Let's try that again. Wow, look at him go.